Welcome to SAIF HOMEO, a homeopathic clinic in Bannu, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. Led by Dr Shafiullah Khan, a gold medalist with over 25 years of experience. Here, we offer treatments for a variety of health issues, including joint pain, low platelet counts, high lipid profiles, and even male infertility. Dr Shafiullah Khan shares valuable educational content on homeopathic treatments across various platforms. On YouTube, you can find videos discussing how to boost sperm health naturally and improve academic performance with homeopathic regimes. Our Facebook page offers insights into managing conditions like high lipid profiles and low platelet counts with homeopathy. Additionally, we post short videos on TikTok covering various homeopathic treatments. For more information or to schedule a consultation, please visit our Facebook page. While homeopathic treatments are widely popular, it is crucial to consult with a qualified